there's a lot of legitimate and not legitimate types of wage garnishments that business owners will get. They're like, child support is probably the most common one. There's tax levies or other levies, garnishments that go through your state Department of Revenue. But there are some court-ordered garnishments that people will send to the employer. But and you always have to know what your state laws are as to if you can actually garnish a court-issued garnishment or not. Because some states don't allow it, and some states are like, well, if there's not any other garnishments, they can do it. You also have to know the order of operations, so to speak, like which garnishments take precedence over other garnishments. And then like child support usually gets paid to child support. Some payroll softwares will file that for you. Some won't. You have to know what if the state you're operating in has open API so that the software can file it, or if you have to file it manually. And for tax levies or other garnishments, a lot of states, you have to simultaneously run payroll and fill out the levy worksheet to get the amount of levy for each paycheck. And most states will have a minimum pay requirement for child support orders. So the employees need to have minimum wage in order for the full child support to be taken out. I ran payroll for a company who had an employee that had so many child support orders that in order for the full amount of child support to be withheld from his paycheck every week, he would have to work a minimum of 42 hours. So I was constantly calculating his minimum wage in order to figure out how much I had to reduce the child support order by. And so it was always being short paid. Plus they had a ton, they were in arrears, so their child support was all jacked up. That's something that you have to know about in order if you're being paid to manage somebody's payroll.